making your point about the markets and the private banking names.
Yeah, absolutely. So below 19,500, definitely the discomfort amongst traders have gone up. But we're looking at it more from a opportunity perspective, and specifically those sectors and stocks which have shown relative resilience or outperformance in this fall. So out of these, the PSU Banking Pack is one where we've seen continued traction happening in terms of fresh addition after the big rally that we saw last month. And second is IT, which looks like a good buy on dip candidate. So if you remember from June, we were very spot on in terms of identifying the breakout in the IT index. Now I think the recent correction brings in another round of opportunity for fresh re-entry into the same, and we feel especially the large cap IT names can be looked upon going on the long side from here. And once the rally kicks in, the mid cap IT is also expected to follow. So Infosys is something that we like particularly in this space. One can look to buy for a trading bounce back of 1500, 1525. And otherwise also we feel that, even if you have it in your portfolio, I think this is the right time to add on to the IT exposure, which is relatively, performed better in the last 3 months. And this seems like a good buy on dip opportunity.
Right. Aside of the buy list, what is it that you would recommend shorting at this current level, given the weakness, Rahul, that we're seeing in the market?
Yeah, so primarily pain has been in the private banking space, but I would say this at this point in time at 19,400, the risk reward isn't exactly favorable for fresh shorts. If there is a bounce back, say somewhere around the 19,700 mark, then it would call for a sell on rise of a kind of a view where one can look to short with a minimal stop loss of 9,800 and then look for another round of down move. At this point in time, especially given today's candle that we formed after forming a new low, at least during the day, some bit of recovery and seems like a bit of short covering has happened today. This calls, at least for a pause in terms of the bearish view as far as the broader market is concerned. So we are not out of the woods yet, but the best thing to do is unless and until 19,800 is not taken out, this remains a sell on rise kind of a market, when 19,200 is something that we are expecting on the downside.
Rahul, good to have you on the show. We'll let you go on that note. Devang, stay with us.